So I start at the bottom, fold in the tabs, go to the side of the box, fold in those tabs, another set of tabs, make sure that this is moving nice, and then I'm going to fold that side, and then at the last, the top lip. Then all you do is take your tabs, put it in like that, and we're in a box. Then we take the last two tabs and put them in the slots on the sides, and there you have it. So then, I always fold it backwards so it'll make it so it's pliable. I'm going to take my pie for the freezer, put it in the go, and then I just fold that in. I lift it up with my nail. There's a little slot there. And there you have it. Nice labels that we've created for our pie boxes. So I'm going to show you and put that on right now. What do you think of these? I think they're great. Just a sticky. I like the top left corner. And there you have it. And now they're ready for the freezer. And I will hold on to these until Sunday because I will be doing a market. And they'll go pretty fast. Thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed my video. And have a great day.